Understanding the final splash, a dive into English idioms. Hello everyone, and welcome to our English language learning channel. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, the final splash. This is a fascinating idiom that you might come across in English conversations, literature, or even in movies. Our goal is to help you understand what it means and how you can use it in your own conversations. So, let's dive right in. The final splash is an idiom that isn't about swimming, as it might initially sound. In English, a splash can refer to an impact or impression that is noticeable and significant. So, when we talk about the final splash, we're usually referring to the last significant or impactful action, event, or effort someone makes in a particular situation. It's like the last, big impression before a conclusion or an ending. The phrase, the final splash, likely comes from the idea of making a splash in water. The bigger the splash, the bigger the impact. In our context, it means the final big effort or statement made by someone. This idiom is often used in contexts where someone is making a last, significant attempt to achieve something or to be remembered. For example, an athlete in their last competition before retirement might be said to be making their final splash. 1. In sports, the athlete gave it his all in the last race of his career, truly making it his final splash. 2. In entertainment, the actress announced her retirement, and her last movie was indeed a final splash. 3. In personal achievements, before leaving the company, she introduced a groundbreaking project, her final splash at the firm. Understanding synonyms can help you grasp the full meaning of the final splash. Here are a few. Last hurrah. This suggests a final act before the end of something. Swan song. Originally a metaphor meaning the final performance or effort, especially in artistic careers. Final act. Like the last part of a play, the final effort or contribution in a series. I hope this video has helped clarify the meaning and usage of the final splash. It's a vivid and expressive idiom that can add color to your conversations, especially when discussing endings and final efforts. Remember, idioms are a fantastic way to enrich your language skills and sound more like a native speaker. Keep practicing, and don't forget to make your own splash in learning English. See you in our next video.